In circular piles and circular columns, reinforcement must be arranged with high precision. The geometry of a round section requires uniform bar distribution to ensure structural balance and proper confinement. The main longitudinal bars are placed evenly around the circumference. This symmetry keeps the element stable under axial loads and prevents localized overstressing. Spiral ties are then installed with continuous and uniform spacing. Unlike closed hoops, spiral reinforcement provides superior confinement, especially for circular sections, increasing ductility and shear resistance. During cage fabrication, the spiral must maintain constant pitch, tight alignment, and proper anchorage at both ends. Spacers are added to preserve the required concrete cover throughout the cage. For deep piles, long cages are assembled in segments. Mechanical couplers or welds ensure continuity of the spirals, and lifting points prevent deformation when lowering the cage into the borehole. Before concrete placement, all bar diameters, overlaps, spiral pitch, and cage verticality are inspected. A well-fabricated spiral cage ensures maximum confinement, better seismic performance, and long-term structural reliability.